As a puppy raiser, that's the beginning, and you go through obedience training. We raised Jake till he was about 16 months old. It's more about socialization, taking them on a boat ride, taking them on an airplane. I rode the bus back and forth to the beach a couple times just to get him used to the vibration and expose him to critters in the park, squirrels, birds. Everybody asks the question, it's hard to give them up, isn't it? And I go, well, kind of, but if you start out with the mentality that you're going to give them to someone that needs them, with Jake, sorry, seeing him with Joel for the first time walking, broke down in tears. I'm very grateful that I have this opportunity and continue to be involved with Mobility Service Dogs.
It's so